Hey, what's happening? It's Paul Farmer. In this video, I want to share with you what the core companies are in Sparky AI, also known as the Automatic Duplication System. So as you can see right here, we have what's called MSI certified. And what that means is you just have the core companies. And when you have the core companies, you'll actually be able to get a discount on the membership. So if you're looking here, instead of paying, for example, the plus, which is $50 immediate leads, only five double opt-in biz opt leads per month. That's what you can get with this. Plus, they're followed up with Sparky AI and the call center as well. Uh, you can get it for $20. Okay, if you are MSI certified. So what the heck does that mean? MSI certified just means you have the core companies. Now, I'm going to have to do this video again very soon because they are going to be adding a couple more companies. One is free, and the other one I'm not exactly sure what the price point is on that one, but I do know it's going to cost because everything in the system is very low cost. And the reason for that is they want you to be able to make the most return on investment that you can without having to pay a lot out of pocket. So, like other systems out there, you can come into a system and you can end up paying thousands of dollars just to get the income streams. This one, you can do it for under $100. So let me go through it, okay? The first company we have is Savings Highway Global. Savings Highway Global, it's very affordable, and that's one of the companies. The next company up is Live Good. Okay, Live Good, you can start for a very low cost as well. I'm going to go over the cost in just a minute as well. We have Reach Solar, and we have Dot Backup. Okay, that was the most recent one just added. And as you can see right here, when you go through the Sparky system, you get it for $9.97 per month, and the $20 reseller fee is waived. Okay, so if you go into my description, go to the link and go to income streams. So right here we have income streams. You see Got Backup. If I go in here, you can see that my link is right there, and there's the offer. Okay, you just come down here and you can purchase it for $9.97. You don't have to pay the $20. So you're getting global business for under $10 a month. Plus, you get a product that is very useful. The product's data storage, like iCloud, for example, or Google Drive, for example. But the difference is with this, you get more storage for less money, and it's also spread across more accounts. So the product's great, great price point, you get global business, you can earn from. It's part of Sparky AI system, the automatic duplication system for only $9.97. Okay, let me go right over I just want to go over the prices, okay, what it costs. So here we have the four different offers right now. These are the income streams. And again, these are optional. I do recommend getting them. You may already have them, and if you do, just plug them right into the system. It won't cost you anything extra. You already have them, so you're good to go. If you don't have them, you just want to purchase them. So Savings Highway Global is $20. Live Good, and that's a $20 per month. Live Good is $49.95 to get started, and then only $9.95 per month. We have Reach Solar that is free, and then Got Backup. Remember what I said? You can get it for $9.97, not the 20. So that's gone. Okay, so $9.97, but you can only get that offer with the automatic duplication system, which you can sign up for free. So maybe you don't even want to use the automatic duplication system. Maybe you just want to get a $10 business, global business, for $9.97. Well, go to my link, go to the description, click on the link, create your account for free, go to the income streams, and you can get it for $9.97. So that's it. There you go. Those are the income streams. This is a very, very powerful system. There's many different ways to earn. I've covered this in detail in many of the videos I've already created, so definitely take some time to go through those. And with that, I appreciate you like this video. If you got value, subscribe to my channel because I will keep coming back with new updates, share my experience, share what's working, and all that fun stuff. Okay, so thank you again, and I'll see you on the next one.